Welcome to the Business Minute. As a small business owner, you have a lot going on every day. You also want to keep a close eye on what your competition is doing on social media, in particular Facebook. Let's take a look at 3 tools that can help you work smarter, not harder. Number 1 is Facebook itself. Go to your competitor's Facebook page and then scroll down to Page Transparency and click on Ad Library. There, you can see what ads your competitors have been running and determine what ad formats are being most successful for them. Not to mention, it provides a glimpse into their promotional strategy. Number 2, Social Blade. This is a competitive monitoring tool that you can see how your competition is growing across various platforms, Facebook being among them. Number 3, Agora Pulse. It is a freemium platform like Hootsuite and Sprout Social, but it includes 5 competitors to monitor as part of its reporting. The 3 tools can help you determine what you should do and not do with your Facebook marketing. If you found these tips helpful, share with your fellow entrepreneurs. Until next time, let's keep learning to level up.